I think the purpose of this website is to promote and allow people to book to the Bridge Inn, as well as find out all the different information about the restaurant. Um, you can sort of tell this just from looking around the website. Um, the target audience isn't really neither. It's not a specific gender. It's neither male or female. You can sort of tell from like the design. It's not specifically like male, um, targeted towards a male or a female. And the colours as well used there sort of white, mainly white and grey. That's sort of like a plain colour. It's like it's known to be sort of a blank. It's not like targeted towards a specific group. Um, Age again. I think due to like the simplicity of the website, it's sort of a it's like a like middle class. Um, it's not confusing. It's intuitive. It's not hard to use. Although again, it is a website, so maybe they're trying to target a younger audience in that. So if we go to the menu here, you can see that the prices aren't too like expensive. So maybe like a working class sort of family would typically eat here. Um, and if we go to contact us, they're like location wise, they're probably trying to target a like a local area. So that would be like the Shoreham area, people in that sort of vicinity around there probably want to they want to get into the pub. The website itself has a few Web 2.0 technologies. It has like the roll on, so it shows the user like where they're clicking on, and they obviously have the map as well. It helps them find out where the pub is. And then they also have quite an interesting feature on the events. So we should go over there. The events page has like a navigation bar, and it allows like the user to sort of sort the different events that have happened. I think it's quite a cool feature. Don't really see that often. So if they want to sort of, their events in their blog is up here. So obviously it's a little while ago, 2015, but I'm sure they'll getting some new posts. But yeah, no, I think that's quite a cool feature. So you can look at the different blogs and tags and different people and the different categories here as well. Yeah, I think that's quite a cool feature. Yeah, the layout of the website is quite good as well. It always has like this navigation bar on the left hand side, and then like the information box here. So this is the events page here, so you can see it's got like a standard layout, and then we go back to the home page here. It's got the same layout. It's got like an information box in the middle, and then when we go to the bottom of the page, you can see here it's got like this standard little bit of who the website was created by, their sort of like copyright name and their privacy policy, and their certificate from TripAdvisor. Yeah. The content, I would assume, is pretty up to date. It is a new website, so that kind of gives me the confidence of saying that they wouldn't upload a website that has out of date content. The writing itself is sort of like important stuff is in bold, and then sort of like the description or anything is in like a smaller, thinner text. But yeah, I think that's sort of standard anyway for most websites. Although maybe for like older people, it's be hard to read, but I don't know. I think the text sort of stands out against the white background. So the page itself, in the background, has like a moving gallery as the background. It's quite sharp images. They're sort of moving. They're correctly formatted, so nothing sort of bugs out. Although there is sort of a lack of variety in the media, in that it is basically just pictures and text. There aren't too many like videos or anything on the website. The sort of language used is quite informal, which again probably is quite good for their target audience. So I don't hold that against them. It's quite good. I think the navigation around the website is quite good as well. It's very easy because obviously this little bar here follows you down as you scroll down, and then we've obviously got this little back to the top button in the bottom right. All the labels quite clearly laid out. They sort of tell you what they are. It's not coded or anything. It's not trying to hide anything. It's quite clear. It's not trying to mislead you or anything. I've had this sort of website on my phone as well, and nothing on the website doesn't work. All the pictures are correctly formatted. Text isn't misaligned or anything. It's a well created website. Obviously they had a bit of help from brightonseo.co.uk, but I think it's a good website. The accessibility, I can't actually find any on this website, so maybe that's probably a disadvantage for them. It's not very good for those that have disabilities. Probably quite hard for them to navigate through, although they do have a sitemap which maybe might help, but again, it's not very good though. Obviously you can't change the language, or you can't change font size or anything like that, but you can obviously do that in the browser, but that's not too good. But I do think that the website is fit for purpose, and I think it works well for the business. So